Hello all of the healthy people. So yeah, I done a few videos about the different kind of healthy stuff, natural products, natural skincare products. So yeah, it's a little bit about the beauty, mostly what intended for the women, but believe me, a lot of men want to be not only fit and strong, be good looking as well. So natural skincare products like oils. So let me tell you a story first. Like in the airport, it was an airport, I need to wait like another hour. I just walked through all of this boutique, and when I saw like herbs, whatever, I just stuck there, read about the herbs, what they for and so on. It was different kind of oils. And one said, okay, just buy some oil, whatever. This like coconut oil. This shop only for coconut oil and different kind of coconut oil. So it's like one coconut oil for drinking. And famous story like Angelina Jolie drink it for increased metabolism and so on and blah blah blah. And this coconut oil for hair, this one for face, this one for massage, and a lot of coconut oil for different parts. I said, okay, can I use the coconut oil for hair, for my face? No, it's like added different chemicals, different ingredients, impossible. So other oils I cannot drink it, and I cannot use it for other parts because of editing different kind of colors, for make it smell different, for make a different effect and so on. And let me tell you another story. So when I travel quite a lot, especially in India, and especially some towns what like somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and where is still like natural Ayurveda, you know, it's Ayurveda when people try to like natural medicine, heal it with grass, roots, different kind of oils and so on. So the people use as a skincare coconut oil, not only coconut oil, also they use what they called almonds oil and oil from different other kind of seeds and from peanut as well, but mostly coconut. So they use the same oil for cooking, for drinking, for put in a salad, for put in your hair. So if your hair too dry, especially in that hot weather, and they said it's prevent to have a white hair and so on and all other problems, so they make a mask just from a coconut oil, natural one of course, and they put it on the face, they put it on the skin, especially people who work on farms, they work with the ground, so basically skin get dry and can rip and so on, so they apply the oil like everywhere. Same if you want to get tan and so on. So if that product is natural, you can use it like literally for everything. But for the face, I saw most common they use a jojoba oil. And it also depends where you stay. So let's say if you stay somewhere in Russia, so maybe you can use a sunflower oil, and if you stay somewhere, I don't know, Europe, maybe olive oil, natural if you can find. And also about the natural oil. In India, some places, or Bangladesh, it seems like you come back on a couple hundred of years before, whereas a machine, not from electricity, from manpower, so all of the pressing machine and so on, they melt the coconut, and after they press it and take your oil and make a coconut milk and so on, and after make a coconut chips, whatever, everything natural. And I tried that oil, damn, it's like, tastes good, it smells good, it's not clean, you can see it, like it looks really dirty, but it's so good. And when I sent it to my friends, they said, oh my god, it's like so good, same like peanut oil. It nothing compare what you can buy in any store. So it's like, I don't know, technical oil like for the machine. It's no taste, no smell, and I don't know. Same thing about olive oil, same about sunflower oil. And near my grandma place had a farm who make like natural sunflower oil. So usually they press it, have just to press it, or fried and press it. So if you fry it, same like coconut, it's have a stronger smell. If you're not fried, it's have like a really light smell. But it's more healthy if it's raw. And it's totally different what you can buy in any store. Basically, I don't know, it's really difficult to persuade yourself for drink it compared to the natural one. So what I try to say, one of the really good and natural products, skincare. You can use the oil what's available in the place you stay, and you can use it in any purposes. If you have a lack of oils in your body, you can drink it, you can apply it for your skin, for your face, for your hair, for anything else. It's natural, it's super cheap compared to creams or special oils you buy from a cool boutique, but only problem now for find organic and natural oil on the market. That's it. Okay, so I try to be short, brief, just shoot exactly to the point, and yeah, stay tuned, later more will provide much more cool stuff.